Hi, in the last video you learned how to use the request parameter to send data from client to the server, and in this tutorial you will learn how to use path variable to send data from client to the server. So we need to change this implementation a little bit. This for the first name we will change this to add path variable. Okay, and let's change this to add path variable. So we don't need to change anything here. Okay, it's okay. We are passing the first name and as well as the last name. Okay, so there is little implementation that we will add here. Okay, what it is that we will first add the first name. You can add the first name here, first name, then followed with another slash, then last name. Okay, it is good use if you use a maximum of 2 for the add path variable. You will not use the maximum of 3 or 5. It is not a good practice. Last name, you can see we have the first name and the last name inside this curly bracket. Okay, so let's go back to the browser. Now we will not longer use a key value pair because we are not working with the request parameter. What we will do is add the slash followed by the first name directly. Let's say the first name is like John and the second name will be, let me just add Aliyu. So but before then, let's first rerun this program. Next we will use live reload so that we don't need to be running this program. Okay, so the program is starting. Okay, it started now. So now we will send this request. We have John and Aliyu. So let's send and see. You see it works, John and Aliyu. Okay, this is what we have for the add path variable in this tutorial. See you in the next video in this series, Spring Framework tutorial series.